Okay, so sorry, I'm recording this in an extremely rowdy staff room, so I hope you can actually hear me. So, wanted to get looking at at shapes and lines today, and thinking how we can make things a little bit more decorative. So you'll notice on this page that I've actually got a couple of lines here. By the way, I've switched, haven't I, between my normal view and my preview view here. So I'll bring all those guides back by clicking over on the normal view. So these lines here, they don't actually do anything. They just kind of look nice. They give it a little bit of a certain smartness. So how did I create those? Well, I'll delete them and show you. Um, I simply use this tool, the pen tool up here. Um, so I actually no, let's use the line tool. It's even easier. So I've got the line tool here. I click and I can draw a line. Now, if I hold down Shift, that will keep that line straight and horizontal. So there's my line. As per usual, the key here is Properties, and by adding a stroke, I can thicken or thin that line off. Now, I'm just using like a nice thin stroke around 3 point, and color-wise, we've got that sort of eggshell blue coming in that I quite like. So I'll do Shift and W to have a look at how it looks. If anything, it's probably a bit fatter than it needs to be. And it might look a little bit nicer if I actually kind of split that in the middle of these two columns, bringing it down to 2 point, Shift and W. Yeah, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Do I prefer it further out or... Hmm. I'm struggling to define it. But yeah, I think I probably do prefer it a little bit further out. So I've aligned that directly to the the outside edge of this first column. Okay, so yeah, that's nice. So I can make lines like that. How do I make shapes? Well, there's a shape tool up here. I've got tools hidden under other tools as per usual: rectangle, ellipse, polygon tool. So I'm going to start by uh, drawing a circle. A quick tip when you're drawing a circle: if you hold down Shift as you click and drag, that will keep that circle perfectly round. So maths is your friend, or you may hate maths, but in design, it's always your friend. And I've made a circle here that is exactly the same width as my main column width. I'm going to bring it up over onto this side of the page, because what I'm going to try and do with this circle, I don't know if this is going to look good, I'm experimenting, is try putting my pull quote in it. So ultimately, I'm going to take this circle here, and I need the text here to wrap around it. I can wrap around a shape in a pretty straightforward way. Text wrap is my friend again. This time, I'm going to click on the wrap around object shape button. So the text will now wrap around. I'm going to need, undoubtedly, a little bit of a margin. Let's try 2.5. So if I look at that full screen, we can see that the text is now sort of beautifully wrapping around that circle perfectly. And my aim is to take this pull quote in the corner over here and stick it on top of there. Something is going to go wrong though. I happen to know this already. So I'll select all of these by just drawing over them, and I'll drag them onto here. But they're behind everything. What could be the problem? In the next video, we'll find out.